Hi guys, welcome to this Excel course. In today's video we are gonna have a very quick look at filling data automatically using some of the functionality in Excel. So here we have got a really basic example of a timesheet, which is partly filled in with some formulas adding up your rows, and the rows adding up your columns. So it's adding your column, putting your row. Dates are partially filled in. So looking at these values here, we select this bottom corner and drag it over to the right. And it will automatically carry on the series. This work for dates. It's work for things like days. Anything that's sequential till the other end. Bring the days up to Friday. But also works with formulas. Right, so for this one we have this date being this day plus 1. Only wanted to carry that formal over to the end. So drag it over and you see it's autocomplete. Now looking at the sum formula in this column. We can also copy a formula. So you can either hit Ctrl C as the shortcut of right click and click copy, move down a cell, and then you can paste it again either by right clicking and clicking paste or Ctrl plus V past that. However, you will notice that if you just paste it normally, you will get the border. And do that step. You actually want to paste special, so click on paste special. Click the formulas that you would work. This also works with the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus V, which will bring up the paste special box. Again, with the formula it also works just dragging it down. As you can see, it adds the correct rows. And the final way of doing it is to select all your cells and Ctrl plus D. Basically drag the formula down. Equally, the other keyboard shortcut is Ctrl plus R, which will fill formulas of the right. And there you have it, using some of the automatic filling of functions in Excel. I hope you like this short video. Please, if you have any question, do let me know, and I will see you in the next video.